Hey everyone, it is Andrea, and I always forget to take off my watch before I start filming. I am coming at you with my April kit lineup, which for some reason, but also it's my birthday month, is so dang thick. Let me show you May, for starters, of like what May looks like currently versus April. April is busted, but it is my birthday month, so I do tend to go a little bit extra crazy awesome. So first things first, this is from Print Impression. This is a B6 planner. These are his inserts. I'm not sure if his shop's open right now, but it'll be open soon, I am sure. And then I have these little stickers here that have the weeks labeled on them, and I sell those in my shop. I do have 2 kits per week because I do have my Print Impression planner that I use for memory spreads that I do film in here. It's not it. There we go. And then I also do have an Erin Condren planner, which I do spreads like off camera just for fun, to use more stickers, etc., etc. So let's go ahead and get into my kit lineup for the month of April, which again is my birthday month. I'm turning 32 this year. 32. Okay. So this one here is going to be Squeaky Clean, which I thought spring cleaning, you know, vibes. It didn't really fit into March, but I really wanted to use it this year. So I do have the doodles, the fashion, etc. in the back. And then as far as foil goes, I thought silver would be really nice with this because it's super clean. I did ask Hannah to print me out these like bubble. I don't remember. I think she might call them like Under the Sea or something. And then she recently put them in the shop. So if you want to pick them up, you can. But I thought that this would be such a cute combination. And then I think that this one is in shimmer or sparkle. I don't really remember. I think it's shimmer in silver foil bundle. But I thought this would be really nice and clean and vary the energy of like a spring cleaning week. Keeping her simple, which I feel like it's either this month I'm keeping it simple or I'm going crazy. Then for the other spread, I'm going to do one that's just very me-centric. So I'm doing the Mr. Darcy art from my shop. All of the off-camera planner spreads, I do have one of these Erin Condren bottom washi cover-ups just to make my life easier. I do have the Mr. Darcy Ultimate Kit. And then as far as foil goes, I have this, I think it's Matte Rose question mark or something like that in confetti too, and then matte taupe. But I thought these would be really fun to like mix and match because I feel like this color is exactly this color and then this color is exactly that color. And then for my custom multi, which I do custom multis for my off-camera planner because I do that real time, and I am not going to do like scripts. I just write in pen. Otherwise, the other ones I do weekly custom multi orders. But I have the typewriter font, which I don't remember what font it is. She has like 10 of them in just non-foiled for this one because I thought that'd be really pretty. But super cute, super gorgeous. Exclusive art on this one, and it is a pop mystery, so you can't get it unless I do another pop mystery unlimited order. Then we're moving on to the week of Mr. Theodore's birthday. He's going to be 4, and my Mr. Theodore is obsessed with 2 things, and I'm just leaning into the one because the other one I'm going to lean into for my birthday. He loves Spider-Man, which we actually just watched No Way Home, which out of context, I have no idea what's going on in that movie. And he loves Taylor Swift. So, and then he also really had like a Encanto, I was going to say Bruno phase, but I just figured this would be cute as well, just to use up. So this is going to be his birthday week spread. This one you can order. And then I just made some like custom boxes and bottom washi for myself. So this one made it more like Spider-Man colors, you know? And then the same thing with the bottom washi. And then I have so many things foil-wise because it's not every day your little baby turns 4. I have the mixed metal red and blue from my shop foil bundle. It's a good one. And then I also have this Cool Kid overlays. I have solid red underlays. I have these Spidey Man overlays. Well, underlays, but I'm going to overlay them on that. I have Peter Parker in the red, white, and blue. I have red Peter Parker solid black. Spidey Man solid red, white, and blue in comic. So obviously I don't need all of this. I was being a little ambitious, but I just want to have options for the vibes, you know. It's going to be a wild journey with this spread, and I might actually film the whole base because I think it's going to be a wild time. Then I do have a kit from Odd Loop. Well, I have some pieces from Odd Loop. I do have the Encanto full box page and bottom washi, and then I just made myself some like basics to kind of add to it, you know, just some different things to add in to build a nice little spread. I think that's gonna be cute. And then I do have some, it's just font 2 in either, some of them are, I think, black foiled, and then some of them are non-foiled. And then I also have this foil here, which is like a hot gold in the confetti version too, but I thought that'd be really fun for this spread. Again, I'm either keeping it really simple or doing it wild. There's no in between in April. So I think that'll be very cute. I think the light purple would also been really pretty, but I figured light purple you could use with so many things, but the hot gold is a little more unique. Then I am using this for the week of April 15th through the 21st, which I think that this is the week that we're going to be seeing Kane. Me and Hannah are going to Dallas. I'm going to burp. Using Dream Plan Do. And then this one I'm going a little wild. So I do have, this is like one of the hollows. I don't remember. It might be like the disco ball one. I'm not sure. So we have a hollow and confetti version 2. I also have the groovy in this, like, it almost matches this pink perfectly. It's like magenta hollow, I think. And then I have these solid heart hollow. So I figured I could do that with a checker. It'd be really cool. And then I just got one of these in an order, so I threw that in there. So these are from Plain Hand, the solid ones in heart hollow. But I thought this would be a really fun spread. I feel like you could either go really fun with this, or you could kind of keep it simple, but we're just going to go wild because it's birthday month. Then I was going to use this for my birthday week, but I had some different ideas. This is Birthday Babe. We have Ultimate with all the extras. And then as for foil, I have the lavender solid underlays, which matches this purple perfectly. And then I also have the like wavy hollow groovy bundle. I thought that'd be really cute with it. I think I also did order a custom multi for this in this lavender color, so that will be coming for that as well. But I think that's gonna be very cute. Again, pretty simple. And then we move into my birthday week, which I'm like considering having a birthday party for myself, but then I'm like, it's basically would just be like game night. So I don't really know. I wanted to have a 30th birthday for myself, but it was like knee-deep COVID time, so I could not. And it was going to be like a whole thing, but because I haven't had a birthday party for myself since I was like in my teens. So anyways, I'm going to use the Eras tour kit because me and Theo both love Taylor Swift so much. He might love Taylor Swift more than me. I have a sparkly black, and then for the other foil that I'm going to pull in is going to be this pink color, which this is the pink flowers, and I think it's going to be really cool with this, with the black. So this is just the like the Swiftie bundle. Has all the things that you need. I love this foil color. It's such a pretty pink. And then I also had Hannah make this for me, which was some quote boxes that says, I don't know about you, but I'm feeling 32. And then I come back stronger than a 90s trend. It was very cute. And then in my other planner, I have some leftovers from whenever I used the same art from Crest Press. So I am going to use that in there. I did print out to make it more of like a darker, like Midnights-esque spread. Also don't have like a ton left in this kit, but I have a lot of full boxes left. I did order another Taylor sheet, but I have like, these were all left over from the kit. So I just figured I'd print out some things to make it like a darker spread. And I have still like this bottom washi. Actually, I don't know if I'll need more bottom washi. Maybe. I might have to throw that on because I'll need another strip. Oh, I could probably use like a black. And then I have, yeah, I have a black from the Spider-Man I could throw in then probably. It would look cool. Yeah, I think the black would be fine with this, and then do an overlay. But anyways, so I have the rest of that plus like the extra things that I made for it. I do have the Swiftie bundle in the Heart Hollow. I think that's really pretty. It's going to bring in the like lighter elements. I also have the same quote boxes in the Heart Hollow because initially I was going to use, I think, this Heart Hollow with this and then do Taylor Swift with it, which I think still would be cute, but we're going full Eras. And then I also do have color 99 to pair with this. I think actually I might put it in here and then move it over to this whenever I'm done. But I think that that's going to be really, really cute. Okay. So that is that. Then if we move on to the week of April 29th through the 5th, which is both the week that me and Hannah are going to Disney for like my birthday, and then also it is Jessica's birthday, so I thought that anything Disney would work, but this one's more of like Jessica vibes. This is Bambi, which is a pop mystery, which the week that I'm filming this, it is like available now. So if you want to get it, I'm not gonna, like, I'm sorry, but it's in here. I can't do anything about it. It's supposed to be a surprise, but here we are. So I have 147 and 146, which is Thumper and Flower. And then as far as foil goes, I have a lot of stuff. So I have the new, which, did this also just come out this week? The Matte Bronze Butterfly Bundle. And then I just have like a bunch of matte bronze, matte silver things. I have the Bottom Washi and Matte Bronze. This is from Hannah. This is called Thumper. Okay. And then we have the full box overlays in matte silver, which is Thumper. And then I also have just a bunch of things that I had left over from different matte silver, matte bronze spreads in shimmer. So I'm just going to kind of go in and just do whatever feels right for this one. But I think that those foil colors will be very pretty with this kit. And then last but not least, this is for the week, again, that we're going to be at Disney, but also it is Jessica's birthday. And I thought Sidekicks worked for that because she gives me sidekick vibes. So again, from Odd Loop, I do have the bottom washi and the full boxes page. And then I just made a bunch of random things for this as well, functional stuff basically. And then as far as foil goes, I am going to be using gold and champagne lights mixed together. I think it's going to be so fun, but also to kind of even make it even more fun, which you see there's this navy in here, but I did not use that in the colors that I made for it. So basically, well, one, I have these custom multis, which any of the kits that I didn't show custom multis, again, if it's in my non-filming planner, I will have a custom multi in here. And then if it's not, I order it after the fact. So in font 2, and then I did for this do sparkly hollow, or not sparkly hollow, sparkly gold or pixie gold or whatever it's called, solid underlays, and then I'm doing the Fireworks 5 in navy over top of it, and I think that's gonna be so stinking fun for this. It will have the sparkle still, but it's gonna bring in that navy color. I think that's going to be so fun, so cute, so perfect. But yeah, I love that. I think it's gonna be great. So that's my entire kit lineup. Damn, Nick just said he did a 9-minute run. For a second, I thought it said mile. Did he say mile or did he say minute? Because, okay, min. I was like, miles. Dang, that was fast. I was like, okay. So let me go through this again real quick. So we do have Squeaky Clean, Mr. Darcy, Superhero, Encanto from Odd Loop, Dream Plan Do, Birthday Babe, Eras from me, Swifty from Caress Press, Bambi from me, and Odd Loop Sidekicks. So that is everything for this month. Again, it's a thick one. I feel like there's a lot that I'm like, I just have a lot. There's no other way of putting it. It's just kind of a wild and crazy month. And I'm very excited for all these spreads. I think they're going to be all bangers, of course. But that is everything. I hope you like this kit lineup. And I will talk to y'all in my next video.